Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Samsung's upcoming flagship phone that is expected to be released in February 2024. What do we know about it so far? Let's find out. According to the rumors and leaks, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which promises faster performance and better gaming capabilities than its predecessors. The phone will also have 144Hz refresh rate display that is one of larger than the one on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The camera system will feature a variable folded telephoto lens that replaces the dual lenses on the S23 Ultra, as well as larger main camera sensor that captures more light. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is also expected to have a stacked battery approach that could make it last even longer on the charge. The phone will run on Android 14 with One UI 4.0, which is optimized for larger screen and multitasking. The phone will have 12GB or 16GB of RAM and either 256 or 512GB of storage, but there is no micro SD card slot is there. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a sleek and premium design with aluminium frame and a ceramic back. The phone will also be a water resistant and dust resistant with an IP68 rating. The phone will have large 7.1-inch AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and a brightness up to the 2200 nits. So what do we hope to see from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Well, we hope that Samsung will improve the durability of the phone. So hope that Samsung will include more software features that take advantage of larger screen, such as split screen mode for more than 2 apps at once. That's all we know about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra so far. Stay tuned for more updates and rumors in the upcoming month. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also, let me know what you think of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in the comment below. See you in the next time. Bye bye.